So we had planned to bring you a full review of the DEEPCOOL Assassin IV CPU cooler today. However, that is still a work in progress. But so that you still get to see the cooler today and we can run down a few of the specifications and some of the features, we're doing a quick unboxing video. So let's get on with this, jump straight into it and see what this cooler has to offer. So the Assassin IV is DEEPCOOL's latest high-end flagship CPU air cooler. It's available to purchase now. In the UK it'll be priced with an MSRP of £84.99. In terms of features, it's equipped with 7 heat pipes and the latest newly designed FDB fans from DEEPCOOL, powered by a powerful 3-phase 6-pole motor and have a speed range between 500 to 1700 RPM. It also has a switch on top of the cooler and you can switch between silent and performance modes. It also has a similar appearance to other recently launched DEEPCOOL coolers such as the AK620. Compared with the previous Assassin III, the Assassin IV is quieter with a maximum noise output of 29.3 decibels in performance mode, improved RAM clearance with 63mm of clearance on Intel platforms, and it also has a slightly lower profile compared to the Assassin III at 164mm tall. So let's jump straight into the unboxing. It comes in the typical modern DEEPCOOL packaging. It's kind of a plain cardboard box with this outer sleeve that has an image of the cooler on and some specifications and things. So just slide the sleeve off and then we should be able to get into the box. So just pop the box open. There's some dense foam in here protecting the cooler and it looks like it all might slide out in one piece. Nope, so that's the top that comes off. And then you can slide the cooler out. It does look like quite a big beefy thing. Also inside this box is another smaller box which will probably have some accessories in. We'll get rid of that and get rid of that. So there is the actual cooler. Let's have a look and see what we have inside this box. So in here there's obviously all the mounting hardware. This supports all current and recent Intel and AMD desktop platforms, so LGA 1700, 1200, 11.5X for Intel, and obviously AMD AM4, AM5 will all be supported. There's also a package there. It says grease cleaner, so I'm guessing that's some kind of wipe or something like that to clean off the top of the CPU. There's also one of those weird angled screwdriver things. Interestingly, on one end there's like a Phillips head and then on the other end it's a small Allen head. So I'm guessing both of those may be needed for the installation. You also get what looks like a decent tube of thermal compound. This is labelled as DEEPCOOL DM9 Master and there's like 5 stars on there. So I'm guessing this is some of DEEPCOOL's best thermal compound. Also got a little sleeve with the installation manual on. And then another bracket here, which I'm guessing is for another fan in case you want to fit another fan. So that's the accessories looked at quickly, and then we can take a look at the cooler. It has got a really sleek design to this cooler. There's not really any sign of any fins except for just on the back there. Compared with a lot of other dual tower air coolers of this type, it's kind of in reverse, this design. So instead of having a fan on the front, so this would be the front of the cooler where the RAM is, the fan is in the middle and on the back towards the I/O. So this fan technically works in reverse, pulling air through, and you don't have a fan on the front of the cooler. So because of that, RAM clearance on AMD platforms is unrestricted. There is some restriction still on Intel platforms, but because you've got all this space at the front of the cooler where your RAM is, it means if you have got RGB RAM installed, there's nothing blocking the RAM. So you can see all the full RGB effects of your RAM and still use a air cooler on your CPU, which is good. Just peel the label off, and below that label is a solid copper base, and you can just see we've got 7 heat pipes, 6mm diameter heat pipes, and then you can see here is one of the mounting brackets. Inside there is actually a 140mm DEEPCOOL FDB fan, so it has 2 fans from the factory, one in the center there, and then a smaller 120mm fan on the outside, and this fan can be repositioned if you feel the need to. The fans also are full PWM control, and it's just a standard 4-pin PWM header. And then on top here is the switch that I mentioned. So this switch, you can flick it either way, and that switches between silent and performance mode. So it looks like a really decent, big, beefy CPU cooler. Obviously, there's 2 cooling towers on here and 2 fans, so it's going to hopefully be able to deal with quite high CPU package power. We will be bringing you a full review of this CPU cooler with in-depth performance testing, so if you do want to see that, make sure you head back to our YouTube channel. Also check kitguru.net regularly for updates. We will be bringing you the performance data of this, tested against some other coolers. When I reviewed the Assassin 3, I know that performed really well, comparable with high-end CPU coolers at the time, such as the Noctua NHD15. So I do have high hopes for this, and we'll see how it performs later. So thanks for watching this quick unboxing video of the DEEPCOOL Assassin 4. As I say, this is available now. You can pick this up in the UK, priced at $84.99. It's only been a short video, but I hope you've enjoyed it. And as I say, if you want to see the performance of this and see more details about it later, then don't forget to check out the full review when it comes live on the channel. So thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed watching this short video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. If you enjoy what we do here at Kit Guru and you want to help support us, you can always head over to the store and pick up some merch, or you could subscribe to our Patreon. And as always, if you want to catch up on all the in-depth technical reviews, head over to the website.